going to talk about animals. All of these animals are the same because they all start with the letter B. They're different because they eat and live in different places. This is a bat, the little brown Myotis. Its length is 3 1/8 to 3 3/4 inches, and it weighs up to ½ an ounce. Its wingspan can get up to 8 inches. The bat eats flying insects. It usually has about one baby, and it lives in North America. This flying furry mammal can be seen as far north as Alaska and as far south as Mexico. Also known as the mouse-eared bat, it can live for up to 30 years. Now we have the black bear and the brown bear. The black bear is usually about 4.5 to 6 feet and weighs about 200 to 600 pounds. The black bear is an omnivore. It usually has about 1 to 3 babies and lives in North America. This is the brown bear. It is about 8 feet tall and weighs 500 to 850 pounds. It eats mostly large mammals and fish and some fruits. It has about 2 to 4 babies and lives in the northern temperate and Arctic regions. This is the honeybee. There are many different kinds of bees. The honeybee can be green, blue, or red, and only the female stings. These insects provide honey and wax. There are 3 classes of this insect: queen, worker, which are females, and drones, which are males. There's also the common bumblebee, which is usually about ½ inch to 1 inch. It eats clovers and flowers, and it lives in the United States, southern Canada, and northern Mexico. Bees communicate with bee communication. A honeybee dance is a kind of sign language. As a honeybee dances, it communicates important information to the other bees in the hive. One type of dance tells us about sources of food. Another type of dance is used when the honeybees are looking for a new home. And last but not least, we have the bison. The bison is usually about 10 feet tall, 10 feet long, and 5 to 5.5 feet tall, and it weighs about 1 ton, which is a lot. It eats grasses, has about 1 child, and lives in the United States and Canada.